Hi, friends. I decided to dedicate one video, make it short, and just recap my Ashley Furniture experience for you all.
She's mad.
So, as the YouTubers and influencers would say, this is my honest review of my experience with Ashley Furniture. Oh, it's ongoing. There's really not a conclusion to this, but because that can't conclude for months, we'll get to that. I decided to go ahead and tell you what's going on right now. All right, anyone who's following this channel knows that back in June, okay, June of 2026, June 22nd to be specific, of 2026, I ordered a couch from Ashley Furniture. It said it could have a long delivery time. Then the delivery date came up and said it would be July 3rd. Perfect. That was the following week. I could do that. So I ordered the couch. It seems to be a lovely couch. Down here in Tennessee, there don't seem to be a whole lot of furniture store options. And when I marketplace shop, everyone makes it sound like, ooh, I got it from Ashley Furniture, like it's a great deal. I don't know. Back in Ohio, Ashley Furniture is one of 10 major furniture chains. Plus, of course, we have Amish made furniture up there. So maybe I don't get the lure. Maybe there's not as many options down here. I don't know. Maybe it's a great furniture store. Can't tell you. Never bought anything from there before. This is my first experience. Let me share.
She's really mad.
So I order it on the 22nd of June. I'm expecting it on the 3rd of July. Come the 2nd of July, I get an email saying, we're sorry. We have to postpone the delivery. I'm thinking, okay, I'm down here for another week. It's fine. Part of the point of being down here that time was to furnish the second bedroom. I was going to marketplace shop it. I was going to go to try to find some other store options I didn't know about around here, but Ashley Furniture is local. Everyone gets it. There's got to be a store nearby. I'll just use that. And they were having a sale, a 4th of July sale. So it was a good deal. Okay. On the 2nd, they said it's not coming. On the 3rd, you need to reschedule. You need to reschedule for the middle of August. The middle of August. This is June. The middle of August. Okay, well, now it's the beginning of July because we are at the 2nd of July. Excuse me. Fine. So I arranged my schedule to be here for the couch delivery. Rearranged some things back at home. Had to go back to Ohio. I had things to do. I have a life. I have a family. I have a job. So I arranged my schedule and I came back down here in the middle of August. I believe it was the 18th that it was going to be delivered. 18th of August. About 2 months, 8 weeks later. Fine. So I get down here and I get another email. We're sorry. We have to reschedule your delivery. Would you like 1, the 27th, 2, the 28th, 3, the 29th. Could have been 26, 27, 28. Anyway, the numbers don't matter. Last weekend of August. No, I came down here this week just to get that room set up, to get the couch. So I called them. Listen, I live 8 hours away. I just drove 8 hours back here again for this couch delivery. I'm trying to get this townhome set up. This is the final thing. This is the final room. Can you please get the couch to me? No problem. We'll get it there on Saturday. Okay, so it was supposed to be delivered on Tuesday. I'm now talking to him on Monday because it was the weekend, of course, by the time I read the Friday email. I'm talking to him on Monday. We can get it there by Saturday. That's fine because I'm leaving the following Monday, right? Monday or Tuesday. Saturday would be great. They said they could do Saturday or they could do Monday or Tuesday. I'm like, no. We're going to take the first day. I don't want that truck to have problems. And then you have to postpone. That way gives me a buffer day on Monday and I can leave on Tuesday. Let's do it on Saturday. Very good. 24 hours later, I get an email from them. We need to reschedule your delivery. 1, 2, or 3, 27, 28, or 29. So I called them and we go through the same thing. Okay, don't worry about it. Would you like it the 21st or the 22nd? Suddenly it's available even sooner. And I'm like, I'm starting to question. The authenticity and the reliability and the validity of this company. I'm starting to think that they just have the customer service reps tell you whatever you want, or possibly the customer service reps want to make you happy by the end of the phone call because there's a evaluation at the end. See, at the end of the first time that I called them, well, I can't even remember the first time because that was back in or July when they had to reschedule. I don't think I was given an option. Now, I was told at the end of this phone conversation, the one where they said we're going to deliver it on Saturday, make sure you rate your experience. So I did. I rated it 5 stars. And I could have left more information about the person who was helping me. There's nothing more to say. They were able to solve my problem. I was still in town. They got it delivered on Saturday, 5 stars. And I said here on the channel, now that I have to call back again, when I'm given that option, do you want to say more about the person who rated you? I'm going to talk about my Ashley Furniture experience so that somebody else is hearing what's going on. Okay. I wasn't given that option. There was no rating the second time, but I was still happy. Okay, now I'm getting it on Friday. That's great. So the guy says, you're going to get a text message confirming the day and time. I go, at what point am I going to get this text message so that I know when to call you back if I don't receive it because it didn't go through? Because it seems like the last representative who rescheduled it for Saturday never really rescheduled it for Saturday. And they still said, hey, we need to reschedule your original appointment. This is what I'm thinking anyway. I didn't realize they were saying, we need to reschedule your Saturday appointment. It's not available on Saturday. That never crossed my mind. Otherwise, I would have questioned when I called back again a little bit more, but I didn't because I'm thinking she just, gal number 1, or really gal number 2, who was rescheduling it for Saturday, she didn't hit send or something, whatever. I'm like, it's getting taken care of. The guy said, no problem. We'll get it there on the 21st. You're going to get a text message a day before with your window of time. So I saw an email or a text at one point that said Ashley confirmation that came through. I'm like, yes, it worked. I was so happy. I was doing things. I may have been holding my grandson, driving. I don't know when it came through. Today is Friday. Today's the 21st. And I'm looking through my text messages and my emails. I'm like, where is that message that I got for them saying that it's coming today? Because I never got a window of time, and it's the day of. And so I woke up at about 8:20 and panicked. What if it comes between 8 and 10 in the morning? Like, what? I don't want to miss them. I'm looking. I think what I saw is another email from them saying, you need to reschedule again. So I think they changed it to Friday, but it was never available on Friday. And then Ashley sent me another message saying, we're sorry, we have to reschedule. Do you want the 27th, 28th, or 29th? I don't want any of them. I will be in Ohio at that time. There is nobody here to open the door and do the white glove delivery. So I called again today and explained the whole situation. They do the usual mirroring that they do. I'm sorry, I hear that you're upset because you've had this rescheduled. You've had to reschedule it once or something like that. I go, not once. 3 times. And she's like, I understand that. And unfortunately, due to supply or manufacturers getting it to the warehouse or whatever, we don't have one available until the 27th of August. I said, so this whole song and game I've been doing this past week, all these times I've been talking to people, they've all just been lying to me. It hasn't been available this whole time, clearly. But they told me it was, so it's just a lie. I said, how does that happen? Well, it may have been available at the time that they saw it on there, but then it didn't go through. I said, within 24 hours, they canceled it. Like, how is it that when they took it, they couldn't hold it? Again, how many times do I have to say here? You know how to take a reservation. You don't know how to keep the reservation. You saw one available. How were you not able to put a hold on that couch and see to it that I got it? I don't understand the Ashley Furniture system, but it sucks. Calling a spade a spade. And apparently the exact same thing happened the next day. Either that or the reps are completely incompetent and they had no idea and they just said whatever the customer wanted to hear so that they got their 5-star rating at the end. This time I didn't get an opportunity to leave a rating again. Only that first time when they got the 5 stars out of me. Since then, no. I guess if you call back again, they know because as soon as I call, they're like, hello, Jenny. We see that you're calling back regarding this number. And then they don't want to know. They don't want to know what your customer service experience is. Do you know why? So that Ashley Furniture can now say, wow, we have data where people actually decide between 1 and 5 if they're happy or not. And our data shows that 98% of our customers are happy.
Fake news.
As I said before in another video, would be really nice if these places would wait a week and then send you out the survey, not ask you as soon as the phone call's over. Again, probably not the customer service's responsibility or fault. I do believe this is a whole breakdown in the Ashley Furniture system. So I call back today. Here you go. Here's the whole situation. It's not available until then. I said, fine. My hands are tied. I know I could probably just cancel the order and get my money back, but I got it on a good sale. And I don't want to go through the hassle of looking for another couch. I feel like I'm married to this one now. It's just, maybe I could find another good deal. I don't have the time. I don't have the time. I put in all the time. I looked at so many different couches online. I was going to pick it up. I was going to run a truck. I was going to do this. I was going to do that. In the end, I'm just like, this is a good price. It's brand new. I know nothing's wrong with it. And they're going to deliver it and set it up with white glove delivery. Done. I thought it was done. So I told him, I'm like, I am not going to be here until the middle of October. So there you go. I said, we have to schedule it for the middle of October. You're going to have to hold on to it now. And that's no problem. What's the date? So I give him the date. I'm sorry, that's a Monday. We don't deliver on Mondays. Of course you don't. But yet I swear they told me that they could have done it this past Monday. The one that I scheduled for Saturday, I swear Monday was another option. I'm almost 100% positive because I thought, no, I'm just going to pick the earlier one. There's a slight possibility they gave me the Tuesday date and I thought it was Monday, assuming it was the next business day. So I'm not going to say for 100% certainty because I hate talking in absolutes if I don't have to, but I swear. They told me they could have delivered it on Monday, at which point they probably would have called me back if I would have scheduled it and said, I'm sorry, it's not available. But you can have it delivered on the 27th, 28th, or 29th. 1, 2, or 3. What do you choose? Okay. So as I'm getting off the phone, I said, she's like, okay, so we now have it scheduled for, because I'm like, okay, well, let's do Tuesday. Tuesday it is, something like the 18th of October. We're going to deliver it on that day. And I said, are you? I really said that to her. I said, are you? Are you really? Because she's like, I understand. And I have notes in here that you've had to reschedule this twice. I go, not twice, 3 times. I go, wait a minute. It was supposed to come in July, and then it was supposed to come on the 18th, and then it was supposed to come on the 20th, and then it was supposed to come on the 21st. So four reschedules. Technically, we're rescheduling it for the 5th one, if you want to say, not twice. So make it clear in your notes. Okay, I'll write it down that it was multiple times. I'm like, I wanted to say, no, you'll write 5. But I didn't. Because again, not the customer rep's fault. I have enough things to be anxious and worried about in life, and I don't need Ashley Furniture to add to it. This is helping me right here. This is therapy. This is therapy for me. I'm getting it out. I'm getting the story out, and I'm feeling better about it as I get it out. Oh, I understand. And I said, can I ask you a question? I said, originally they said it was available on the 3rd, and then somehow the couch went somewhere else or went to somebody else, and then it wasn't available anymore. And then it was available on the 18th, and then it wasn't available anymore. And the way you're explaining it to me, I go, then it was available on the 22nd, and then it wasn't anymore. Then it was on the 21st, and it wasn't anymore. So it seems like the way you describe it is the system shows they're available, but then maybe somebody else snatches it up and gets it. How can I be reassured that you're able to hold on to my couch all the way for 2 months? For 2 months. Until October, the middle of October. How can you promise me this? And how is that possible with your system? Rest assured, I have written all of this in the notes. I said, can you add in there, I will be driving 8 hours across 2 states. I guess I should say 3 states. Start in 1, but I said it's 2 states away. I will be driving 2 states away, 8 hours to receive this couch delivery again. And I would really like the couch to arrive.
Is that too much to ask?
I will put that in here that you're coming from far away. Okay. Again, they keep rewording everything as if it's softer. You'll be coming from far away. That could mean like an hour's drive. You had to reschedule it a couple times. No, not a couple. 4 to 5. Like they keep like dumbing it down. And I'm like, let me correct you. I want to make it clear. I don't know if they're trying to soften it to make it seem like your experience isn't that bad. Like it's a gaslighting situation, possibly. I don't know. I don't understand why they kept rephrasing everything like it was no big deal. Don't worry about it. Of course, this whole time, I have been offered no compensation for my inconvenience. Let's see, I ordered it in June, July, August, September, October, 4 months. So let this be your warning. If you order something from Ashley Furniture, don't expect to receive it on the day that they say they're going to deliver it, because they just reschedule because we thought it'd be available, but it no longer is. And it could be the day before that they all of a sudden decide it's not available and they have to push it 2 months out. Okay. Now that we're clear, Ashley Furniture, I hope you're watching this. I hope there's some customer service rep at Ashley Furniture that can pass this along to the higher ups, because this is insane.
That's an understatement.
Insane. I have never had a delivery experience like this in my life. And it's not over. Friends, it's not over, because I have to come back here in 2 months. First available time I can get back down here to Tennessee and hope and pray that my couch is going to come. We'll see. No compensation. And let me tell you, the last thing I want from Ashley Furniture is here's a $50 voucher towards the purchase of more furniture. No way. Not on God's green earth. You want to make it right? Send me a check for $100 or $200. Then I'll feel better about it. Other than that, no compensation. It still doesn't take all the sting and the time. I mean, you know how much it costs in gas alone to drive 8 hours back and forth? And in my time when I could be working? Just saying, really, $100 to $200 would be getting off the hook. But they're not going to offer that. I guarantee you. If they do, the update's coming, because the update will be coming. Y'all will know whether this couch comes or not. Okay, stories out there. Do you want your furniture? Don't get it from Ashley. God only knows when you'll get it. If you do, jury's still out. Have a great day, friends.